Third Christmas card. Came from my cousin. Cute little snowman, marshmallow man, and floating in a cocoa. Very cute. Cocoa. We've decided to watch Rudolph today before I get started with other things.
Oh, excuse me. Call me Sam.
Like,
what's the matter? Haven't you ever seen a talking snowman
Jack,
before?
like putting these boxes away,
Nice
putting the laundry away,
I call it Christmas
and dusting.
now, better known as
Because all this has to be dusted off, and I need to put my meds someplace else. Okay, let's start over again. I did up on top of the guinea pig cage, and I already did this, but I wasn't recording. I did on top of the guinea pig cage. It's a little bit neater. It's not perfect, but I threw away a lot of stuff that was up there that were like old packages of treats that we had finished off. Just the packages were just sitting there. I don't know why. And then I dusted. Okay, we need to back this up, so yeah. Look, it's all bright and shiny. I can't believe how much dust had accumulated on top of the TV stand. I mean, there's dust down below, and that's going to be for another day, because it's really hard for me to bend down like that, because of my arthritis. So I might have to ask John or Bianca to dust down there. But look, my little toothless is all dusted off and happy sitting on top of my Sab, my Jessica Jones, and my skulls are all happy. I shined them up. I'm really quite pleased with myself. The tree is not plugged in. I have to... That day when I was like, oh, I think the tree is broken, it turned out it wasn't plugged in. I'm such an idiot sometimes. Look, Noki. Noki. Hi, baby. So, like... And I was listening to Christmas music on Spotify while I was working. I got banana bread in the oven for tomorrow. I found both Christmas cupcake liners and Christmas mini cupcake liners. So we're gonna see what happens. I'm thinking about making some mini chocolate cupcakes. But that means frosting them tomorrow. But Bianca did say she would like to help me with that. So if she makes the cupcakes and then I can frost them tomorrow, that would work really well. But she cleaned in the beauty room today. I hadn't been there in like over a week because every time I went in there I had an anxiety attack. It just completely freaked me out. I couldn't breathe and I would have to leave the room because it was such a mess in there, from her desk, you know, falling apart, and then the new desk being put in, and there was stuff everywhere, and I was just like, Bianca, you have to do it. Like, you absolutely just have to get this done. There's still a bunch of stuff underneath our table. There's like a table where all my plants are on and stuff, and I have to pull the blanket I had on top of the table off of there because I think Sugar puked on it. So... And I did not know that because I'm not in there, so I have to pull that off. But, and the top of her desk is just atrocious, but she got rid of a lot of stuff that was in there that was all over the floor, and she swept the floor. So it's much more doable for me to be in there. But my plants are like dying. I feel so bad for them. So I'm going to, well, I've already misted them today a bit, but I definitely gonna go in there and like pour some water in once the dishwasher is done, because my dishwasher is a hookup to the faucet, so I have to wait for it to be done to get any water. And I gotta fill the cat fountain too. It's starting to need to be filled. So, and over here there's gonna be another snowman, and yes, the floor is still dirty. John is going to sweep. He's going to move these out of here, and he's gonna do all the litter boxes in the house. That is his promise, at least to me. So right now I'm just waiting for the banana bread to cook, and then I've got to make spaghetti for dinner and all that Jack, are you a good boy? Yes, you are. You're a good boy. So this place will be all, like, ready for tomorrow. I have to put laundry away. That's still sitting there. He's sleeping in the bedroom, though, so I don't want to go in there and bother him. So I'm waiting till he comes out to do what he needs to do. And, yeah. Oh, that's lovely, Jack. This is a great time to wash your butt. I'm sure everybody appreciates washing you wash your butt. If you have cats, you understand. And that blanket is up there like a curtain because during the day I was having trouble seeing what I was doing on the TV screen because of the light shining through. I can't get Mr. Pumpkin Spice to come in. He probably won't come inside till Bianca comes home, and she's out right now. Sometimes he just won't come in for anybody but her. I just hope he's okay because we don't like him to be out after dark, but sometimes he just won't come in. And please, no lectures about cats should stay inside. I disagree with you. I don't want to argue about it. Our cats go outside. They're very happy cats going outside, and none of the stuff about they'll live longer. I have an 18-year-old cat, a 17-year-old cat, and a 14-year-old cat living in this house. So they've lived really long while going outside. So I really, if you choose to do that, that's cool. I would never tell you to let your cats outside. It's a choice of what you think is best for your cat. This is what I feel is best for my cats. Do I get worried sometimes? Yes, of course. But I've had indoor cats before when I lived in more like city-like areas, and I would worry about them then too. So I would worry about them because they would get out into the hallway. One year, this one cat I had, I could not find him. He got out into the hallway, and it turned out he had gotten into the 3rd floor apartment and got stuck behind some boards because they were redoing the apartment. And I couldn't find him for 3 days. He almost starved to death. And he was an indoor cat. Things happen. That's just life. So, please, none of that. I love cats. I love my guinea pigs. I love animals. Everybody has opinions. Yeah, my vets don't have a problem with it, so you shouldn't either. Okay? Alright. I'm sure I'm still going to get a remark from someone. And that's whatever. Anyways, I'm sorry I went on a little rant. It's just, I've had people make remarks to me, and I just think it's really rude to tell people how to take care of their animals unless you're kicking and hitting or starving your animals. You make the choices for them. So, and you and your vet make the choices really for them. Just like it's between me and my doctor how I take care of myself. Same thing. Anyways, I'm gonna stop ranting. I swear. Hey, it's the end of the night. I'm gonna read from the Yule book. I've been getting some good feedback on this. December 12th, Mexicans celebrate the feast of Our Lady of Guadalupe, otherwise known as the Black Madonna. Apparently the lady appeared to Juan Diego on a Mexican mountaintop on this date in 1531 and asked him to rebuild the temple that had once stood there. Thinking she was the Virgin Mary, he went to the Christian clergy with her request. The clergy didn't believe him, so the lady let them know she meant business by causing flowers to bloom out of season in the spot. She is the patroness of Mexico, the Americas, and children, especially those unborn. Take some time today to ask the lady to bless the members of your family and to encourage the birth of the son. Light a blue candle in her honor and say something like, "Blessed Madonna, Mother of all, hear us now and heed our call. Watch over us from up above, and bless us with your constant love. Urge the sun's birth in the sky, so he shines brightly from on high. Blessed Mother, hear our plea, as we will, so mote it be." Well, that was a nice one. And now, I moved it back here. because I've been doing some cleaning today. I know this is another short video today because I was mostly just cleaning. So, but tomorrow I'm gonna do a look for you, and there's the party, so there's stuff going on tomorrow. Ooh. So today's is NYX Butter Gloss in the color Angel Food Cake. So, oh, that's pretty. It's neutral, but like a pink neutral. Pinkish, or mauvish actually, really. What do you think? Yeah, it's more like mauve-y, I think. So that's the color for today. Get my makeup wipe. So yeah, so much cleaning today happened. My daughter was cleaning the beauty room, and like, I think I said something about it earlier, maybe? I don't know. That's how out of it I am. I'm just super tired. And then she went to a friend's tonight, and John did the sweeping, and I did a ton of dishes, put all the laundry away, and then, you know, as we're cleaning, we find more laundry, and now the laundry is like piled up again, but I have no time to do that because tomorrow, oh yeah, I baked a banana bread. Tomorrow I've got to make the mini cupcakes and frost them, and I've got to clean the bathroom, so I won't have, plus do a makeup look and get dressed for the party and have the party, so I won't have time to really do any laundry. So that's just the way it is. And the guinea pigs are like playing, jumping around a little bit. Yeah, by the time you see me when I do this, I'm usually pretty tired. And lately it's just been cleaning, and I get yelled at because, well, not yelled at, but one of my friends was like, you know, you're supposed to still be taking it easy for 3 weeks. And it's like, yeah, I know, but I want things to be somewhat decent when people come over. So that's just, you know. I'm trying to be careful though. I'm trying not to lift anything heavy or do anything extreme. But I think things look pretty nice in here. I don't know. I mean, we've got see. The floor is clear. This keyboard needs to be cleaned off though. I need to do that tomorrow or tonight before I go to bed or something. I remember. Yeah. Put the laundry out of the way. This area, Bianca's gonna do that area though tomorrow. She'll do her little table and she'll clear out the sofa a bit. So, yeah. I'm happy with it. It's good enough for me. So, yeah. I guess that's it. So, always remember to be kind, even when you're exhausted. Bye-bye, kitty cats.